In this video, we're going to explore how we can now get our nice image that we have of our dog and expand it to the max size that we can have to get it within this div. We want to cover this div fully with our image of the dog. So how can we do this with CSS? So right now we have the background image set up here, and then we say background repeat. We don't want to repeat it. So what we want to do is we just want only one single image here. So how do we do this? All we can do here is we say background dash, and then in here you say a size, background size dash size, and in here we can do a few things. By default it is set on inherit, meaning that the original size. So inherit or initial is eventually the one we have here, so it inherits it, and in this case initial is exactly the same because you can see here that's it. But that's not what we want. What we want to do is we want to control the size. So we can control the size by saying cover, where it fully covers, but if it fully covers you will see that it might, just pay attention to this picture, you see the picture will be cut out a bit because it will go 100% in every way. So as you can see here, it tries to cover everything, and then with that it cuts away a part of the picture. So that's maybe not what you want. Covers, then you have contain. You contain, you refresh. With contain, what happens is basically you will give full size of the image, but it will just stretch it to the maximum capacity without damaging the original image or without cutting away a part of the image. Of course, what will happen, as you can see here, we have here now some space below of the div here. And next, what we can do as well is maybe instead of this, you don't want this, you want the full image in both ways, and you do not care much if it will be stretched or not stretched. So what we can do then is we can set in size of 100%. Then we say here vertical 100% and horizontal 100%. We save this and refresh, and you can see now it vertically goes 100% and horizontally also shows 100%. And what happens is, while the image is not being cut, the image has been stretched out or compressed depending on how it looks. In our case, it's slightly stretched, but very acceptable. Of course, the image is here more pixelated, but that does not matter in this case. However, this is the way how you can do it, and you can also set specific pixel amount if you want to have 100 pixels by 100 pixels. We could do the same here. If we do that, what happens is then it will start to small it out. And if you want this, maybe the this is the vertical part. If you want the vertical part more stretched out, you can do that as well. As you can see, it will stretch out the vertical part completely, and you can do the same with the horizontal. However, if ever you want to just have full cover without damaging this or without stretching the picture, but just keep it in its original structure, although you will cut out a bit, you can use cover. Cover is one of the options here. So this is the way how you can play around with your background size. Make sure you have no repeat on, or no repeat, so it will not repeat it if ever there would be, but it will not happen because you have the cover here. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.